All right, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be changing brake pads on this 2019 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim, okay? And the braking system is located right over here in the rear. We have everything prepared, okay? Some of the tools that we're going to use, okay? I have the rear brake pads kit. Here's the number. This is how it comes out with. Some of the tools that we're going to use, this is a Torx 25, a 5mm Allen, 5mm Allen, 12mm hammer if we need it, torque wrench. And basically what we want to do, we want to go from here to there. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the little Torx screw right over here. And I'm move down, remove this bolt, that bolt, and loosen the two bolts that are located right over here. All right, let's get at it. Okay, so we're just gonna take our Torx, which is right over here. Okay, move it over. Okay, and I just gotta go from underneath because I don't have a lot of room in here. Okay, and we gotta break it. Okay, here we go. So the bolt came out. I'm just gonna put it right over here for now. Okay. Take the clip off. Okay, so next I want to take this bolt off. Okay. Okay, and it is out. Place it right over here. I have already broken them off, so it's it goes a little bit faster. Room in here, but that's okay. Okay, we're going to take the second bolt, just place it right over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place a rag right here. That way we are not going to be scraping nothing. Okay, so I got to make sure all these cables are good. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and loosen these bolts off. Okay, I'm just going to depress it, and slowly I'm going to pull the brake out like this and bring it here. Okay, here we go. It's actually a good spot. Okay, so now we have the brake. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the two pins that are located right over here with the Allen. Just going to move it this way. That way we can have a better visual. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, here we go. We're just going to place it right over here. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to press it in. Okay, here we go. So the pin comes out, not a problem. And now, okay. So I have the old brake pads, and before we put them on, I like to always check if I have the right one. Yep, and they look good. No problem. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh yeah, they look nice. Oh, we have a nice new clip. Okay. Okay. And this is also good. Let's do another check right here. And this is it. Okay, so we know we have the right ones. Okay, next, what I like to do, okay, is we're going to pop this clip right over here. Okay, that comes off. Okay, just going to clean it right here, all the way around it. Take our new clip, have a quick look. Okay, yeah, it goes like this. Okay, and then clip it. Oh yeah, very nice. Okay, next what I would like to do is I'm going to remove the sliding bolt right here, and we're going to lube her up. Okay, just going to clean this. Okay, also what I want to do is I want to remove the boot from inside. Have a quick look. And basically this is what it looks like. Okay, very good. See right over here. Okay, and I have my little brush. I'm just gonna go in there and clean everything. Okay, very nice. Take my rag. Okay. Also, what I like to do is I'm going to put a little bit of this easy slide. Okay. And the way I do it is I just put a little bit on my my finger right here. Okay. Put it on the pin first, like this. Okay. Then insert the pin. Okay, and move it a little bit. Okay. And then in and out, in and out, okay. And this is perfect. So now I know that this is lubed up. I'm just going to place it right over here. Then I'm going to take a little bit more, place it inside the boot, okay, and on the outside. Okay, and now I'm ready to insert this guy in like this, and it's perfect. Then we can take our pin, or sliding pin, insert it back in, and it is very nice. Okay, and then release the air, and it is perfect. Okay, next, since I have already cleaned the brakes, this actually looks very good. Very nice, super good. What we can do is I have a device right here where I can depress this, but I want to see if I can depress it with my fingers. If I can depress it with my fingers, that means the pistons are nice and lubed up. Oh, here we go. See, just adjust this. I'm gonna take our pads, place them like this. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to take one of these pins, insert them through the pad. Okay, let me just see how this goes. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, this one's in. And second one, and both of them are in. We're going to take our Allen key, okay, and now we're just going to go and tighten all this up. Okay, spread our brakes. Okay, this is good. Okay. Since I won't be able to torque it down there, I'm just gonna go and see if I can just tighten it up the best way I can. Okay, good. Okay. So basically, this is what it looks like right here. Oh yeah, this actually looks very nice. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place the brakes back in. Okay, slowly, and just adjust this, and it's perfect right here. Okay, so so that bolt is just holding that one. Okay, with this guy I'm just going to apply a little bit of lube right here. Okay, insert this guy in, that one a little bit of lube, and insert it right here. Okay, so now just want to see if everything is good, and it's so far so good. Okay, that one's tight. Okay. Okay. Okay, I won't be able to torque this guy, but I have marked it, but I'll be able to torque this guy. Okay, continue on. Okay, now I have my little Torx clip. We're gonna insert this guy in here. Okay, and we gotta make sure, okay, yeah, like the cables are nice and free. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Torx. Okay, so I finished tightening this bolt up right over here. Now we're gonna tighten this one. This one is called a sleeve screw. And normally you tighten this up between 14 and 18 foot-pounds. So I got it on 16. Okay. Okay. And I won't be able to get in there. That one's good. Okay, so now we're going to tighten up a brake pad hanger pin. And I can only tighten this one up, but I don't want... Okay, anyways. That had enough power. Okay, so we have everything else. This is basically what it looks like. Okay, everything is wide open. Everything looks good. I'm just gonna spin the wheel a little bit. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press the brake a couple of times to get the pistons going. And then let's do a spin. Oh yeah. Okay, no, we are good. Okay, so what we have learned here in the last 15 to 20 minutes is how to change brake pads on the 2019 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. It's actually quite simple. Everything is lubed up, cleaned, and ready to go. And if this video helped you out, please give me a like and share on the on your videos or somewhere else. Thank you.